Hi friend, welcome back. I'm Avro. Today we will upgrade H96 RK3566 box firmware. Okay, let's check. Now you can see this box H96 Max RK3566. Build version is H90. Check this box. Okay, let's go on. At first, we need to unplug all the cables and power off. Prefer one pin, one USB to USB cable, and the 3 files. First one is factory tool. Second is driver assistant. The other is RK3566 firmware. Open this driver assistant. Click driver install. Install driver. Okay, install. Install success. Then close it. Open factory tool. Open this one. Then you can see 2 ports here. ID is 3 and 1. The light is red. Before we connect the box to this notebook, we can upgrade the firmware to this factory tool. Change language, click firmware. We can select firmware, this one. Then you can see the firmware name here. Loading. Okay, you can see. Upload success. And then we will connect the box, this box, to notebook. Plug one USB to this notebook first, and then we will plug the other USB cable to this black plug. And insert the pin to the reset button. Can see reset button. Insert and plug together like this. Together. Okay, let's try again. You can see connected success. You can see in the port to ID6 loader. Let's upgrade now. Connect the run button. The light turn green. Download the firmware 3%. Okay, upgrade okay. Then connect the stop button. Light turn red. We can unplug the USB cable. And now it's okay. We upgrade the firmware to this box. Let's check the firmware, how it works. We can say this box should boot. Let's check. Let's check the Bluetooth version. H96 Max RK3566 version view 2021 May 14. Okay, that's all. With success to upgrade the firmware. And if you have any other questions, you can tell us. Thanks. Bye.